Here is a quick timeline for our struggle and victory against the 9.5 lakh clause. 28th January, I was the first one and immediate to call out for this vacancy as illegal. And on 30th January, I broke a good news for you. But in 1.5 hours of the video release, there are so many things happened which I cannot reveal in social media, which forced us to remove that video only to satisfy ego of few people and only to put forward you. So now let's check what we did and then we'll discuss. In the context of flawed eligibility criteria by SBI CBO, I have a message for the management. Point number one, this eligibility criteria of 9.5 lakh of salary is not justifiable and is not enforceable legally, because as per OBC Act and EWS, the candidate should have total income of 8 lakhs or below. The family income should be 8 lakhs or below. So in such cases, how come 9.5 lakh salary package is enforced on private bank employees? This will go to the courts if it is not withdrawn immediately, because it is against the constitution, against the OBC criteria. It is injustice against OBC and EWS criteria, and same can be dragged to the court of law. And before it's too late, I request SBI management to withdraw this criteria. So today when I communicated, we gave a presentation. मेरा आज बहुत अच्छे से बात हुआ है, ठीक है? तो उसमें हमने फैक्ट, पूरे फैक्ट का रखा है जी। जो फैक्ट मैंने रखा है, मैं स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं कर रहा हूं, बट आई एम रीडिंग इट आउट फॉर यू. So the minimum 2 years of officer scheduled commercial bank in area and any rural bank RRB listed in RRB second schedule में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. If candidate is from private sector bank, SBI mandates minimum annual CTC 9.5 lakh. It is ambiguous salary criteria because notification doesn't define what components are counted. 9.5 lakh CTC bonuses, perks, ये सब है कि नहीं? So it is there is an uncertainty and arbitrary in interpretation. Also those who are preparing, उनके लिए भी दिक्कत की बात यह है कि वो prepare भी सही से नहीं कर पाएंगे, उनको end तक पता नहीं चलेगा वो eligible थे कि नहीं. And the actual 9.5 lakh CTC is of 2.5 years back. So current CTC of an employee will be around 11 lakhs. Thank you friends. As I told on that day कि इस रात के दरिया का किनारा भी कभी होगा, वक्त का क्या है कभी हमारा भी होगा. The battle is not yet won. You are not yet selected, so nothing to be happy. It was just a clause. It was just a little obstacle which got removed. Fight for it. We have a special batch for all of you. Give your best so that you don't repent in the future. See you inside and in our internal classes. Let's make it big.